Hi folks, this is Mary here at the BISH'S in Junction City. I'd like to show you today this great van. It's a beautiful van. It's a Tellaro, Thor Tellaro. It's a 20L, it's a 2022. So there's a lot of features that I'd like to show you inside. So as you can see, this screen comes all the way across. So it's a bug screen, so this is really handy and it tucks away nicely. Then as you come inside, you can see this nice grab handle right here. Then you have a special little feature here, a pull-out dog dish, water, or for your cat. And then this other one is just for shoes. So that's handy. Then as we come over here, you have a little workstation. So this is a desk that folds out. This chair will turn around, so you've got a tabletop here. You also have a little space here that comes out. So you have a little bit of space, counter space for both people here. So here is our kitchen. You have 2-burner stove top here. You've got a convection microwave oven and a sink. So this turns, and your fridge. These are actually really nice. The gloss on here is just beautiful. So these come open and then they slide shut quietly. This van is also equipped with solar, as you can see. And then we've got our control panel up top. You have a really nice TV that will swing around for both split beds right here. You also have seat belts, which is handy. A lot of times when they have the split beds, they don't have seat belts here. So you can actually have passengers riding with you in this back area. And then one thing to look at, these beds, they have this, which makes it really comfortable, but also it prevents the moisture from building up. So if you're gonna have people sleeping in here for a while, it's not gonna smell like your bedroom. Okay, let's go take a look at the bathroom. So as you can see, this is a rear bath, which gives you a lot more space. You do have cabinets which open up, and there's a rod across there, so it can be like a wardrobe closet. You have pull-out drawers, lots of space in here actually. Then, I don't know if you can see this, here's your faucet right here, attachment. Then your sink pulls out. I really like this sink. And then it tucks away, so you've got lots of space in here. You do have a shower curtain that's going to go all the way around and protect everything in here. You also have doors that will swing shut or come together, shut right here. You do have a ladder, which is built in right here. And this is actually a really great space too, because if you needed to load something in the back of the van, you could do that easily. So it gives you a lot of options. So my name is Mary. If you would like to work with me, my number is 406-850-4590. Please give me a call.